We all appreciate great service. Nothing is more rewarding than receiving a glowing review from someone who's had a great experience with us. Take a look at what they had to say. We feel great about a job well done, but we feel even better knowing someone took the time to write about their experience and leave us a 5-star review. It's simply a win-win for everyone. Every time we receive a positive review, it's like receiving an award of achievement. But don't take the reviewer's word for it. We're confident you'll love the value and attention to detail that's become our specialty. We're glad you had a chance to come and visit us today. Please feel free to ask us any questions, anytime.